here from Angel Rose Designs, and today I'm here with a tip for you guys. Now, if y'all have the cello bags, the cellophane bags for packaging, now what I'm doing in reorganizing my craft room, I'm taking all of my stamps, okay, and I am removing them from the packaging and making my own. But this one has its own packaging already, so I'm going to show y'all a trick. I'm going to just cut the part that hangs like that. Put that aside. And then up here, there's a little bit of room for me to trim. Okay, so I'm just going to trim that like that. Pull the cardboard part out. I want to keep this, but I also want to remember the name of the company. So what I'm doing is taking my scissors and cutting that, the name of the company off, and putting it in my little bag, folding over right here, leaving enough room to get the stamp set out, taking some scotch tape and just basically taping that fold. And I have my own little storage bag to store my stamps in. And I'm gonna store them in this shoebox just like this, because I can fit probably 2 rows here. See, these two I have to go in and redo. So we got this one. I'm gonna try to even it out like that. Take my tape, one piece here, and one, whoops, that piece didn't come out the way I wanted it to, and one piece here, okay? And then you have easy in, easy out. That goes in the bucket. This one here, now I can do this another way also. Since this one here is like this, okay? Pull to open, but it's gonna be open from the top. So I'm gonna take some tape, HG tape, put it right here on the top of the bag. And I'm gonna pull the backing off. For again, fold it and do that. Then you have another of your own little handmade bags. And that's that. But if you want to use the big bag, okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I have these stamps here. They have their own bags, but this one doesn't. This one does, but see all this right here? I don't want that on there. So I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna discard this. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my bag and I'm gonna measure my stamp here. Now I'm gonna cut here. I'm gonna leave this part so I can flop it over. So I'm gonna go along to cut, then I'll pick it up and finish cutting the rest of the way. Put that other piece aside. Put this piece, this stamp in here, and then this one I'll have to do with scotch tape due to it being cut. So I'm gonna try to get it as even as I can, and then scotch tape just down the back side of it. Okay, so we have another bag. I mean, I've ordered a whole package of these, and this is the shirt size cellophane bag, and that's gonna do a lot of stamps. So that is all I have for this video. If you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit the big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload a video or when I go live or upload any type of content. Okay? Now I'm going to show y'all one more before I go. For the dies and the stamp set, I'm going to leave the dies in the original bag. I'm just going to tape that down so it'll fit in the bag. And you see, this side is sealed. Put that in here. Flatten as much as you can your dies. Okay, you just do like that, and they're flat enough. I can put them in here, and then take this, even it out as much as I can, and put my tape on the back. Okay, so again, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload any type of content. Please be caring, be kind, be loving, be safe. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.